Welcome to the virtual tour of Unit 7 at number 80 Richardson Street in Essendon. As we enter through Unit 7, we have a security screen door, hallway. This property is reverse living, so it has bedrooms and garage down the bottom and the living area upstairs. Located on the left-hand side, we've got our first bedroom. Split system air conditioning, carpets, and ensuite bathroom. With toilet and shower. As we continue on from bedroom 1, there is an additional powder room downstairs. With the study. And also single lock-up garage. Within the garage area, which is accessed by a rear laneway, the garage is also home to the laundry facilities and storage area under the staircase. Plenty of room for washing machine and dryer. And plenty of room to have a clothes horse located in this area here. As we come in upstairs, we are greeted by open plan living with split system, unit, double doors that open up into a balcony, plenty of cupboards and drawers, stainless steel appliances, and private balcony. Two further bedrooms are located upstairs. There is a separate bathroom. Bedroom number 2. With also an ensuite. And bedroom number 3. Located opposite Lincoln Parkland Reserve.